Hi, my name is Austin Price, and I'm one of the instructors here at Gaston College for the Welding Technology program. I invite you to come check us out. Welding in itself has been an awesome career for me, and I would recommend it for you. Guys, girls, doesn't matter, everybody can do it. Our program goes days and evenings, 1 year during the day and 2 years at night. Our program consists of you, the student, learning various different processes such as, not limited to, MIG welding, TIG welding, oxy-fuel welding, cutting processes, blueprint reading, and a few others that I'll let you read up on. Our shops are state-of-the-art. We have some of the newest equipment in there that are also spread out. Makes for a little bit easier of an environment for the student to learn. It's a lot more laid back, and it promotes student success. Like I said, we offer days and evening courses. Check our website out for more info, and thank you for stopping by our booth.